Fit, and this is a Golf R protected with a Starline Immobiliser. So a thief copies this key, goes to start the vehicle up. As you can see, the car's not starting up. So this system looks for either a push sequence or the customer's paired phone to disarm the vehicle. So we put the sequence in, hear a disarm tone, and we can start. Or people don't like pin codes, I think it's a bit long. So we'll just turn the Bluetooth on this phone. No need to turn it on and off all the time, just for video purposes. So when you leave the vehicle, it's going to be active. When you come back, the system's going to disarm, and then you just hop in, start the car. Fires up straight away, disarm straight away, and you can drive off. No need to waste time. Also has a service mode for press and hold on the app till it goes from green to yellow. Let go, 2 bleeps, and this is a normal car. Give it to Volkswagen, just give them the key, no need for a code or a phone. When you get it back, press and hold, back to green, and the system's secure again. Give us a call, 0208 212 7393. This is a Golf R. Thanks for watching.